I'm going to show you how to fix Palworld crashing. For the first step, you should go to the search, type in NVIDIA app. You must find the app if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, otherwise you must download it from their official website. Once done, go to the drivers icon in the left menu and make sure to install the latest available driver. Now go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay as well. Next, go to the Windows taskbar and make sure to select this upside arrow. If you do find the Steam icon appearing like this, make sure to right click on it and select exit Steam. Next, go to the search and look for settings. Once done, you should go to the Windows update, and from here you need to ensure that you have installed already the latest Windows updates. If you do have stuck updates, go to the update history, deselect the first two, and from here you can either uninstall a suspicious update or select recovery and select reinstall now as the last option. Next, go open the Steam launcher again, go to the Steam logo top left corner and then go to settings. From here you should go to the in-game and make sure to switch off Steam overlay. After that, go to storage, select the right drive that you do have Palworld on, and then select these three dots and click on repair library. Now go to view option and select library, look for Palworld. The game must be installed, so once you select it, click on this gear icon and click properties. After that, select installed files and click verify integrity of game files to just verify if you do have any missing or corrupted file. It will start by recovering them automatically without the need to install or download the game from the start. You need to wait for the process to finish and hopefully the problem is gone. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.